Defold versus GameMaker. Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you create games efficiently without the usual development headaches. We'll briefly explore these two popular engines and what sets them apart. Defold and GameMaker are powerful game engines designed for different needs. Defold focuses on lightweight, cross-platform development with a code-centric approach, while GameMaker offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop system ideal for rapid 2D game creation. Defold is a free cross-platform game engine developed by King, tailored for developers seeking performance and flexibility. It uses Lua scripting for game logic, allowing precise control over game mechanics and optimization. Defold excels at creating 2D games with efficient resource management, making it ideal for mobile and web platforms. Its modular architecture supports reusable components and live updates, speeding up iteration. The engine integrates well with third-party tools and supports native extensions for advanced features. However, Defold has a steeper learning curve due to its code-first design and limited visual editors, which might challenge beginners. It lacks a large marketplace for assets compared to some competitors, but compensates with strong documentation and an active community. Defold suits developers comfortable with scripting who want a lightweight, scalable engine for projects requiring fine-tuned performance and cross-platform reach. GameMaker Studio, developed by Yo-Yo Games, is a widely used engine known for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface combined with its proprietary scripting language, GML. It empowers creators to build 2D games quickly without deep programming knowledge, making it perfect for beginners and small teams. GameMaker supports exporting to multiple platforms including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and consoles, offering flexibility for distribution. Its visual tools simplify asset management, animation, and level design, accelerating development. While GameMaker is strong for rapid prototyping and 2D game development, it can face performance limitations with complex or resource-heavy projects. The engine also requires a paid license for exporting to most platforms beyond desktop. GameMaker's extensive marketplace and community provide a rich resource pool for assets and tutorials. It fits developers who prioritize ease of use and speed, especially those focused on 2D games without needing deep coding expertise. Comparing Defold and GameMaker highlights distinct trade-offs. Defold offers greater control and efficiency for developers comfortable with Lua scripting, ideal for projects demanding optimized performance and cross-platform flexibility. It's suited for teams wanting a lightweight engine without licensing fees. GameMaker, on the other hand, shines with its beginner-friendly drag-and-drop system and quick development cycle, supported by a vast asset marketplace. It's perfect for rapid 2D game creation but may struggle with more complex games or high-performance demands. Licensing costs can add up for multi-platform exports in GameMaker, whereas Defold remains free. For example, an indie developer aiming for polished mobile games with custom mechanics might prefer Defold, while a hobbyist or small team focused on fast prototyping and ease of use would benefit more from GameMaker. Choose Defold if you need a free, lightweight engine with powerful scripting and cross-platform capabilities, especially for performance-focused 2D games. GameMaker is the better choice for those seeking an accessible visual development environment with strong community support and quick 2D game creation. Both engines excel in their niches, so select based on your project's complexity and your coding comfort level.